Hello, everyone. I just wanted to make a quick post today to give a little bit of feedback and to respond to some of the emails that I've been receiving from some of you, specifically regarding the group projects. So, one of the first things I wanted to say was that those of you who are submitting the reader responses generally are doing a good job. Um, I don't see much in the way of any problems. I did notice some of you accidentally submitted the wrong reader response, or rather, submitted a reader response for one of the stories to the wrong story. So just be careful about that. I'll try to count the credit anyway. But just be careful to try to submit it to the right ones. Um, the other thing that I noticed in your introductions, I was going to say that when we refer to a work, um, and by work I mean a book, a movie, a play, a short story, a poem, a song. When we refer to a work in writing, we typically want to indicate that we are referring to the work either by italicizing or by quoting. So long works like movies and books should be italicized. Short works like poems, songs, short stories, they should be quoted, put in quotation marks. So you'll have um, slanted, italicized movies and books. You'll have quotation marks for stories, short stories, songs, and poems. That's going to be important for this class just because we're going to be, in all of our essays, referring to some kind of work, right? In our first essay, we're going to be referring to short stories. In our second essay, we're going to be referring to plays. So those were the two main things I noticed about the reader responses. Um, for regarding the group essays, a lot of you have been emailing me about that. The main concern has been getting complete group participation. Some of you have mentioned that all of your group members aren't participating. And that's to be expected, right? Because this is an online course and it's short, and we're only in the second week. So some of us might not be in the groove of the course yet. Um, for those of you uh, who are attentive, that's very good. I'm not gonna take off points um, for somebody who isn't participating. And for those of you who haven't written for the group essay yet, definitely check your emails as soon as you can and try to give your group members some participation. Okay. Um, I'll be sending out individual emails to some of you because not everybody has responded to the syllabus acknowledgement, which indicates to me that some of our classmates actually may be enrolled in error, which is to say they may not even know that they're enrolled. And for those students, but for that case, I expect some students possibly to drop the course, which means that I'll probably be rearranging the groups next week based on participation. So in order to avoid being left out, everybody just check your emails as much as possible and check the Blackboard announcements as much as possible and your syllabus as much as possible, right? Particularly the calendar part of the syllabus where it says what all is due on every week. So thank you everyone for emailing me and for completing your assignments. And the next post I should be making will be either about grades so far, or will it be about the drama unit for next week. So have a good weekend.